We're at the 2015 National Hardware Show looking at a lot of the cool new tools at the show. And that brought us over to the Worx booth, and we are looking at some of their 20-volt outdoor tools. And I've got Caroline here to tell us a little bit more about some of the new tools that are in that 20-volt max lithium series. Caroline.
What's great about the 20-volt series is it not only includes all of our 20-volt garden products, but it also includes our DIY products like our drills, impact drivers, and other items available. With our 20-volt garden product line, we have trimmers, hedge trimmers, the jaw saw product, as well as the air, which is great for a lot of little air projects around the house, a lot of different cleaning items. You can use it inside and out, really, because outside you can use it with cleaning off patios and driveways, but there's many attachments that come with it depending on the model that you select, and those attachments, you can utilize those for cleaning. You can also blow up beach balls. There's just so much functionality available.
Now, I've been watching the video with the trimmer, and it seems like that trimmer has got a lot of flexibility.
Our trimmers, especially our 20-volt trimmers, have so much flexibility with them. You can really make it work for just about any person. It has a height adjustable feature for the shaft. You can use it for 3 different functions with our GT model. You can use it as a grass trimmer. You can use it as an edger. You can even use it as a mini mow to get under some of those hard to reach places like a bench that might be out in the yard. There's just so many different things you can do with it. Additionally, with the adjustability, as I mentioned, it has a height adjustable shaft, but you also have the adjustable handle, and you can flex the guard and the angle of the line depending on what is comfortable for you. Next, we have our 20-volt jaw saw, and as you can see, we don't even have a battery on this one because I know I can take the battery off the hedge trimmer, which is right next to it, and put it right there and share power between tools. The jaw saw is great because, as we all know, working with chainsaws is not a very safe project for anyone, but the jaw saw has some pretty unique qualities to it, allowing it to provide a little bit more safety for the user. As you can see, it has teeth and an area going around it here, which is actually going to help hold the branch or limb in place as you're sawing through it.
And once a person puts that around the branch, you kind of push, and then the saw comes out and cuts through the branch.
Definitely. As you turn on the product, what you can do once you have everything in place is this handle here pushes down, which takes the blade and pushes it with the chain and cuts right through very easily. Next, we're at our 20-inch hedge trimmer, which is also 20-volt and shares the same battery amongst all the garden tools. What's great about this one is you have the 20-inch length, but it's also very light, just over 5 pounds. Pretty much anyone can use this for their hedge trimming projects around the house.
And of course, that trimmer you mentioned earlier can be a edger, and I think we've got one set up as an edger right here.
Absolutely. This one is set up as the edger, so you can see it's flipped up at a 90-degree angle. And what's great also is that we have a unique inline edging or inline wheel function, which allows you to stabilize the trimmer as you're using it as an edger, so you get a nice straight line as you're going down the side of your driveway, your sidewalk, or wherever you're using it.
If people like to find out more information about the 20-volt systems from Worx, where can they go?
They can go to worx.com. That's worx.com.
We're at the National Hardware Show 2015.